And welcome to the Property Management How-To Guide. So the first thing today is how to load your dishwasher. Now this may seem like a simple task, but there is a specific way that this should be done. With the plates, I know most of you just chuck them in the dishwasher and don't give it a second thought. Now it's really important to make sure that they are stacked vertically on the bottom shelf to make sure that they get cleaned the best that they can. With the cups and bowls, make sure that they are placed on the top shelf and always put them facing down. Now if you place them facing up, they'll just gather the water and they won't be clean. Tupperware. I use them every day and I'm sure you do too. Put them on the top shelf. This will make sure that they don't go out of shape and don't melt because the heating source is at the bottom. On occasions, you may have oversized pots and pans. Put them on the bottom shelf. This will allow them to maximise space and also not be too heavy when you pull out the top shelf. With cutlery, it's something that you use every day. Now there is an allocated basket for it, but make sure that you put the handles always down and facing up. Some of you may think it is the other way round to avoid injury, but really to make sure that it's clean as best that you can, facing up, handles down. If you're a fan of wine, like myself, you may have fragile glasses that you need to clean. Put them on the top shelf in the safety rack. This will make sure that they don't get damaged. Once you've followed our handy hints and tips, the dishwasher's ready to go. Sit back and relax, let it work its magic until it's time to unload it.